Hey everybody, today we are going to look at this Jayco. It's a Jayflight SLX. Model number is 184BS. So let's get to it. Now normally I like to start on the outside, but today I'm going to start on the inside. But before I do, I'm just going to cover some quick features, right? Got decent storage, right? Electric awning that covers just about the whole side. Right, and that's about it. All the rest of the stuff is standard. You've got crank down jacks, crank down tongue jack, and a 20-pound propane tank. So let's go on the inside because I know that's what everybody wants. Now, as we're walking in, what's interesting about this door is two things. One, it's got a little piston on it. So when you open the door, it opens itself, which is kind of neat. However, for you tall people and those who might be a little broad-shouldered, this doorway is very, very tiny. I'm not sure if you can see me, but I gotta pull my arms in to get through the door. So it's a little tiny. Now, this is one of those east to west beds that I talk about. I, being 6'4", would not fit in here, okay? We've got some nice storage up above. Right, that's kind of nice. All LED lighting, which is awesome. Some more storage there. All right. There's your dining. Now, as you can see, it's kind of set for the bed position. The dinette makes a second bed, and so that's really set for that. Normally, the dining room table would be much higher, and that would be where you would sit there. So, oh, hey!
Hey!
Fancy meeting you here.
Fancy meeting you.
Fancy! So, you're in the kitchen.
I am.
What did you find here in the kitchen?
Well, we have a two-burner stove. We have a microwave. We have a little sink. It's got the nice tall faucets.
That is a little sink.
It is a tiny sink.
Yeah.
We have a tiny refrigerator freezer unit here as well. This is taped, so I'm not going to open that up. We do have limited storage for your dishes and food and pots and pans. There's actually a little bit more storage under there. You might want to put a little rack or something under there for...
Well, this is a micro travel trailer, so this wouldn't be something you'd be in full time. This is, you know, for a weekend or for maybe a week at most, maybe 2 weeks most. So the storage is not bad. And
then we do have this as well. So this is for food as well as clothing.
It's pretty deep. Let's do a little test. Well, they're not paper thin, but they're not all that thick either. So if you're going to store anything heavy in there, you're going to want to, reinforce that a little bit.
That's true. That's true.
All right, you got some bunks back here.
Yes, we do.
Right? These are, there's no curtain or anything, so it's just, wide open bunks, which is, not bad at all. All right, what's over here?
Oh, I'll let you go through that door.
There we go. Oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for
Thomas Toilet Test.
We are in another micro travel trailer and a bathroom that I fit. Now, I do have the door open, but I'm that far away from the door. So even with the door closed, I'm plenty comfortable. The toilet paper holder's up front, so it's not in the way. I got plenty of elbow room, so this is a definite. Let's get in the shower, shall we? All right, well, as you can see, my head is all the way up in the bubble. All right, Lisa, come a little bit closer. As you can see, the shower head is below my head. If you look down, the tub is kind of one of those weird shaped tubs, so it's a little uncomfortable to stand in. You'd have to kind of stand with your feet very close together. Again, this is for tall people, all right? And the other thing, and I've talked about this before, is just having the regular curtain. You see where that curtain is right now? It's on the outside. And being a big person, if it was on the inside, for me to be comfortable, I'm gonna have to hit the curtain. Where's all the water gonna be? It's gonna be on the ground. So I just don't like the curtains. I have a link down in the description of the really neat retractable door that we have in our own. That would be the first upgrade I would do here. But overall, if I had to rate this one, all right, so what did you think of this micro travel trailer? I have a couple of issues with this one myself. Now remember, this is Tall Man's RV Reviews, so we're looking at it from the tall person standpoint, whether it's guy, girl, teenager, it doesn't matter, okay? One, getting through that door, tough. It's 20 inches wide, okay? It's very, very small. All right, 2, there's not a sink in the bathroom. All right, so when you're done in the bathroom, that means you gotta put your hand on the doorknob, you gotta come out here. We just like to see a sink in the bathroom. And 3, for me, the shower too. I forgot the shower. I'm just not comfortable in the shower. And then, as I was sort of alluding to, having the east-west bed, for me, it's not very good. Again, this is for tall people. If you're under 6 feet, this would be great. But we look at it from a tall person's standpoint, okay? If you like this, leave a comment. Let us know what was your favorite part of this, or if you already have this model number. So for all the people that have come back to our channel to watch this, thank you so much for supporting the channel. We really do appreciate you. If you just found our channel for the first time, we appreciate you finding our channel. Do us a favor, stick around, hit that subscribe button, come back again sometime. Until then, be safe.